I've been noticing something lately, especially in my female patients. Women today are told they can have it all: a successful career, a perfect home, well behaved children, happy husband, fit body, beautiful skin. And whilst managing all of this, she should also be an embodiment of peace. And if you can manage to do all of that effortlessly, then congratulations, you are the ideal woman. But here's the truth nobody says out loud: this idea of having it all is quietly destroying women. When you really look at it, it's strange. For generations, women were told that their place is in the home. Now, suddenly, the narrative has changed. The messages: be independent, build a career, be successful, which is great. But the old expectations never disappeared. Women were not relieved of their traditional responsibilities, they were simply given more roles to fulfill. Now, the same woman is expected to work like she has no family and care for her family like she has no job. And if she struggles, society will not question the system, society questions the woman. Why can't she manage? Other women are doing it. She should be more organized, or she should wake up earlier. And sometimes the harshest critics are other women. A woman who hires help is judged. A woman who focuses on her career is judged. A woman who chooses to stay home is also judged. And a woman who prioritizes rest is judged anyways. Somewhere along the way, women started measuring their worth by how exhausted they are. Almost like suffering is your badge of honor. If I am tired, overwhelmed, running around constantly, it means I'm doing a good job. But imagine if women didn't have to live like that. Imagine a culture where women are not expected to be superhuman, where rest is not seen as laziness, where asking for help is completely normal, and where mothers are supported and not silently burdened, where husbands truly share the emotional and mental load of a home, and most importantly, where women stop competing with each other and start supporting each other. Because the truth is, when women are respected, they're well rested and supported, they don't just survive, they thrive. They become better mothers, better partners, better professionals, and just better versions of themselves. And maybe the real goal was never to have it all. Maybe the real goal for women is something much simpler: having the freedom to choose and being respected, no matter what you choose.